welcome to my channel Digital Pathshala. Here today we will try to learn the scripting language on Windows, uh, means DOS cell, Disk Operating System DOS, and the terminal in Windows operating system is called DOS terminal or cell. So there are two types of commands basically in DOS in Windows platform. One is internal command and another one is external command. Internal commands are those which are built-in command.com file, and external command can be anything that is made with C++, C language, or any other languages. But external command like ifconfig, ping, format, etc., etc., etc. So today we will learn the basic commands in DOS, and then we will try to learn the scripting and the scripting language like Linux operating system. Here we are also can script our program, or batch processing is uh, created by shell scripting, and the file format may be .bat for batch processing, or the file format may be as cmd. Okay, the file format may be bat or cmd. Here for this reason we have to open the terminal window. Here on the desktop we click the cell or terminal to open the window, but we can also open the window by clicking on start menu, then go to run by pressing Windows plus R, and then here we have to type cmd and press enter. We also can open this cell like this, or in Windows Explorer address bar. Here anywhere seems like we are here in D and testing lab or tutorial PDF. Here we can also able to open the terminal window by only writing cmd and see the difference. uh, D tutorial PDF, that is our working directory. Okay, present working directory is tutorial PDF. So it is very good that where we have to open the cell window, just go that path by Windows Explorer, and on the right on the above address bar just write the cmd command and press enter, then you will able to open the cell. Okay, so okay, at first we clear the screen. For that we have to press cls command, and if we want to print something on the screen, then we have to write echo digital Pathshala. Here we see digital Pathshala is printed on the screen. So we can check the version ver Microsoft Windows version 10.0.18363.1500. that is our present version. We can see the directives dir command here, but one thing, everything is skipped because it is executed and the screen is scrolled down. Okay, but if you want to see all the files one by one, then you have to add this pipelines and more arguments. See, here the screen is waiting for you. Okay, and when you press enter, one by one the screen will be scrolled down. Now cd command. Now clear the screen. Now cd command. cd. cd means change directories. What is directories? Directories are the folders that is created on the Windows platform by graphical user interface. We also can able to make a directory in command line interface too. Okay, so, and we have to traverse one directory to another one. Then we use this cd command. Cd is for changed directories. Okay, so our working path is e hack phone split master. Okay, so if you want to go in the directory of D, then you have to type the D and colon. Here, look, here we are in the D directory. Okay, now dir. Here are download software, secret tutorials, teachers, salary certificate, or files, testing lab, or folders or directories, tutorial PDF are the directories. Okay, now if you want to go E again, okay, now cd dot dot. What the changes? Where we were, now we have to jump the previous folder, jumps back, and cd space dot dot also working, cd dot dot. Now we are here in E. Now dir. Okay, if now we have to go to F drive. Okay, dir tutorial digital pathshala, we have to enter. So cd digital underscore pathshala. Okay, so here, now if you want to create a directory in this folder as a subfolder, then we have to create like this, mkdir um, the name of the directory, and the directory name is cell scripting. Okay, now have a look. Dot cell scripting is here. Okay, so in this way we are able, but if you want to write some scripting, then we can use notepad plus plus. Open folder as workspace, for tutorials. We have to go the right directory, tutorial digital pathshala, does cell scripting. Okay, the first scripting, hello dot bat. Oh, we have to select the folders only. Okay, now alt F for new files, and we have to save. Okay, at then mm, echo hello world. Okay, then we have to save it by control plus S, and we have to save tutorial digital DOS self scripting and hello dot bat. Okay, now save it. Echo hello world. Okay, now we have to check the script is running or not. Okay, cd DOS scripting now hello dot bat. Hello world. See, our script is running. CLEAR clear. Sorry, CLS. Hello world. Hello world. Okay. Uh, then open open the notepad plus plus echo off. Now echo on and save it. What the basic difference? If we made the echo off, then we just only get the output hello world plain output. But if we make the echo on, then we go the result as verbose mode. What the commands is executed will be shown on the screen. That's the difference. Okay, so here we go in notepad plus plus again and make it off for this reason. Okay, echo hello world. Okay, so our hello world session is ends here. We'll see in the next video. Till then, bye bye.